To make a call, touch the phone key on the launch bar. Then select one of the following options to make a call. Quick dial, to make a call from your saved favorites. Phone book, to call an entry in the phone book. Call history, by touching an entry from the incoming, outgoing, or missed calls list. Or dial number, to input a phone number manually. To dial an entry in the phone book using voice commands, push the talk switch on the steering wheel, then say call, and then the name of a phone book entry. When speaking voice commands, you can push the talk switch to interrupt the system while it is listing the available commands. Begin speaking when the face icon on the display changes. To accept an incoming call, touch Answer. To reject an incoming call, touch Decline. While a call is in progress, you can touch the Use Handset key to switch the phone call to the handset for privacy, or touch the Mute key to mute or unmute the microphone. To end a call, touch the Hang Up key. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.